All right, I'm going to show you how to see recent calls on your Android phone. We're going to do this on a Samsung phone first, and then look at a Google Pixel, which has a slightly different looking phone app. On a Samsung phone, first go to the Phone app, and on the very bottom, you'll see your tabs: Keypad, Recent Calls, and Contacts. Recents will obviously show all your recent calls. At the very top, if you have any updates, like a missed call, those will show up there just to make sure you don't miss anything important. Then, below that, you'll see your recent calls, and you can expand any of these by tapping the name or number. So, for example, I could tap this call to view more info about it. And the Phone app gives me shortcuts to call them back, send a message, video call, or tap this little button to see the entire call history between us. This is also where you could block that number, add it to your favorites, etc. If you see a number next to a name, that just indicates how many consecutive calls you've gotten from that person. If you swipe left on a name or a number, you'll get the option to quickly message that person. Basically, the Phone app will launch messages, input that person as a recipient, and pull up the Messages app ready for you to type and send messages. Kinda nice and convenient, huh? If we go back to the recent calls list and swipe right, that would be the shortcut to instantly call that person. So, swipe left to message, swipe right to call. You could also long press an entry, which lets you either copy their phone number or delete that entry from your call history entirely. If you're using something like Motorola or Google Pixel, the Phone app looks a little different, but for the most part, works similarly. You'll have Keypad, Voicemail, and Home tabs on the bottom. On the Home tab, you'll see your recent calls as well as your favorites on the top, if you have any. I can tap that little phone icon to instantly call someone, or tap their name or number to see more options: quick messaging, video call, or, for example, view the full call history with that person. So, generally speaking, very similar to Samsung. Tap any entry to view more details. And again, if you see a number next to a name, that indicates how many consecutive calls you've had with that person. One cool thing on Pixel and stock Android phones: if you get a call from a random number like this, you can tap to expand it, and you'll usually see a lookup button. When I tap lookup, it does a Google search using a browser of my choice for that particular number. Of course, that won't always tell you exactly who the caller was, but a customer support number like this one, for example, would usually give you a general idea of what the call was about and who was calling you. And that's how you view recent calls on Android. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for quick guides like this one. Thanks all.